Upgrading from perfectly clear Lab to QuickServer is quick and simple. All you need to do is install QuickServer on the machine that's currently running Lab 5, then run QuickServer. The first time QuickServer runs, it will check to see if any Lab 5 presets or channels exist. If it finds any, it will automatically import those presets and channels into QuickServer. It's a completely automatic process. And once the import happens, then you can manage these imported channels exactly like any other QuickServer channels. QuickServer does not remove the channels from Lab 5, so both products will have identical channel settings. This means you can use Lab 5 or QuickServer on the same machine while you evaluate QuickServer. However, be sure not to run Lab 5 and QuickServer simultaneously. They could conflict with one another by both attempting to correct the same images.